Tequila.
94 degrees? That's not too bad. Shut up. That's the Rio Grande?
Yeah, it runs all the way.
More like the Rio Tiny.
Here.
Where are we?
See, okay, look, this is the Rio, oh, it's hot. The Rio Grande, Texas. This is all Mexico. Okay. Where are you?
Yeah, where are we?
The star. I think.
So everything that's the Rio Grande is Mexico.
Yeah, on the other side. Yeah. The Rio Grande is the border.
They don't look so especial.
I'm not putting that on for Snapchat. I'll get shot in 10 photos. Is that Mexico?
On your right is Big Bear Mountain. On your left is a midget with a coffee. The minute we left the city, I didn't see one single animal. The only dirty, filthy animal I've seen since I've been here is the reflection in my own camera. I can't wait to pee right there.
We're gonna be going to the top of that so you can totally pee off of it.
Yep, I'm gonna pee right off of that.
Not bailing out of jail though.
Whee! See all that?
Yep.
I'm cutting that right out of the vlog. I asked you a question and I expected a damn answer. This is where you come to meet God. Status update. Marie died. So sad. She'll be missed. About 0.6 miles away, her calves pretty much gave out, so I'm gonna go grab the car like a champion and go and pick her up. Not bad for a city boy. Marie Hunt, Marie Hunt! You are part of a YouTube story, played by Joey Santana. So we are in Lajitas, Texas. It is right near the border of Mexico. Now we're about to go meet the mayor. We're gonna go grab some carrots for him really quick because apparently, from what I understand, he loves his vegetables.
That's the mayor. No. How can we tell? That one's got nipples.
Wait, which one's got nipples?
That one does.
Yeah, give me a couple. Hey, goat! Once a year, they open up this small border, this area. The federales are on one side, and the state police and border patrol are on this side. And they open it up, and people can go across into this one little smart part of town, party with the bands. Then they can do vice versa, and it just all the families get together. And politics aside, we're just going there to see what's happening, document it. It looks like it's going to be a really good time. And if I get a chance to cross the border, well, see what happens. Let's just hope, regardless, that it just stays just like this.
Yeah, I agree.
Because this ain't about us in any way, shape, or form.
No, it's about
And I think
families that
that's-
get to be reunited for the first time in a year. Whereas, like, they don't get to see each other. It's a beautiful thing.
Let's went to Mexico. Morning, Mayor.